Hi friends, welcome to my channel Falcon Gigs. In today's video, we'll discuss about constructor in Java. So what is constructor? Constructor is a special type of method which is used to initialize objects. When an object is created, then the compiler will automatically invoke the default constructor to allocate memory and assign defined values. If we are not assigning any values, so it will assign default values or assign declared values. If we are declaring something, so it will assign those values to the objects. Every time a new object is created using new keyword. So then when you are creating a new object using a new keyword, so then the constructor is called. While declaring constructor, the class name and constructor name should be the same, and constructors do not have any return type. So types of constructors. So we have two types of constructors. One is argument based constructor, or we can call it as parameterized constructor, and the second one is non-argument based constructor, so which is also non-parameterized constructor. So let's discuss with an example. So I've already created the package, so now I'll create the class. First I'll discuss about argument based constructor. So this will have in method. So I've just created the class. So inside this class, now I'll create the parameterized constructor. So as I said, to declare the constructor, so constructor and class name should be same. So I have created the constructor successfully. Now, as I said, so I'll create the parameterized. So I'll parameterize it. So ID. Now I'll print this. Print the ID. So I'll also add one non-parameterized constructor. So this will be default constructor. Now I'll create the class object. Create another one. So I've created the parameterized one, right? I'll just pass the value here. Okay. So it's ID int. So I've just passed it. Now let's execute it. See, so this is the default one, and this is the parameterized constructor. So now example, I'll show how constructor will assign the default values when you are not uh, assigning anything. So let me create the class. So this will have the main method. Now I'll declare variable and I'll print it. See, I've just declared it. I didn't assign any value. Now constructor will assign the default value for the int. So I'm executing it. So you can see the output is 0. So the default value for the int is 0. Now let's I'll also show you how the execution works in constructor, because in constructor the execution flow will be in the reverse order. So I'll just show you how it will work. Create the constructors. This will be parameterized. So it will be int company ID. So this will be string company name. So I'll show you the order, okay, the execution order. So with the help of the this keyword, so this first I want to execute company ID. So what I'll do is first I'll I'll use the this keyword and I'll pass string here. So what will happen? It will first it will come for this default constructor. So here you see this. So I'm passing the string. So what happens? It will come here. So here what I'll do is I'll give the int. I'll pass int. So here I'll give ID. I'll execute the object for this and I'll execute and I'll show you. Order will be first it will come here, it will try to execute, but since I am passing the string, so it will come and I will try to execute this constructor. So here I have passed the int, so it will go to the int constructor, the constructor which has the int parameterized. So it will execute first id, so first id, then string, then default constructor. So you can see first int, then string which is company id, then default constructor. So this is about constructor. Thank you for watching.